Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Victoria and today I'm going to be showing you guys a Bantu knot tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing Bantu knots for the first time. I heard that they're a great protective style, so I'm going to be trying them out today and I thought I should just film it for you guys. So to start with, I'm going to put my hair into parts, the kind of parts that I want the Bantu knots to be in, and I want to go for triangular shaped parts. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm just going to take my comb and then I'm going to cut it horizontally at the very back before I start making the triangular parts. I think I should show it to you guys as I'm doing it, and I'm going to be using this mirror to see like what I'm doing at the back from the camera. So okay, so now that I have the parts ready, just at the back anyways, I'm going to apply some leave-in conditioner and comb through my hair. The leave-in conditioner I'm using is the Anjaki's Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-in Conditioner. And the gel I'm going to be using is also from Anjaki's. It's the flaxseed recipes don't shrink flaxseed elongating curling gel. I'm going to take just a little bit. It's actually my first time using this. Then I'm going to twist the hair. Then I'm going to wrap this around itself. Okay, so one down. I don't know how many to go, but that's basically what I did. I just twisted it and then wrapped it around itself like this. That's what it looks like. So I'm just going to continue the same process around my head. Okay guys, I'm finally done and this is what my hair looks like. I think it came out pretty okay for a first try, but obviously as I do it more I'll get more used to it and it will look better. I'm actually I'm actually glad, you know, with the way it came out. This style I've always wanted to try and I think it looks okay. What do you guys think? Comment what you think about this in the comment section and let me know if you're going to try it anytime soon. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, remember to comment and share it to your friends. Also make sure you subscribe and turn on my post notifications so you get notified each time I post a new video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.